Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Console, Firebase, Google, Com, and signing in with the account that owns the project. Once done, select the project. Make sure you have owner or billing admin rights because you will change billing settings. Next, verify the billing account and payment method, credit card or organization billing profile to avoid interruptions. While you're here, confirm project ID and region settings so quotas and pricing apply correctly. These prerequisites speed the upgrade. Otherwise, you'll be bounced by permission or billing errors. You now click Project Settings, then Billing Overview and choose Change Plan. Review Spark versus Blaze. Spark is free but limited. Blaze is pay-as-you-go and scales with usage. Pick Blaze to remove hard limits. Configure APIs that need billing, like Cloud Functions or BigQuery, because some services won't activate without it. Also set budget alerts and billing thresholds to avoid surprises. Create a budget at 80% and one at 100% for notifications. Make selections deliberately, since they affect cost and quotas immediately. You finish by confirming the billing change, accepting the terms, and applying it to the project. Expect a short processing delay. Once applied, test critical services. Deploy one function, upload a storage file, trigger an auth flow to verify quotas and billing are active. If something fails, check IAM roles, ensure the billing account is linked and in good standing, and inspect error logs for denied API calls. A common fix is relinking the billing account or granting billing admin temporarily to resolve permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.